subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, CasinoJason back with another scratch-off ticket lightning round. We have 8 tickets, all $5, where you're back drawing the deep pockets, try to get that cash symbol to win all prizes. And we also have 4 cash forever tickets. Let's get started. Ticket 1. We need this symbol, or we need this other symbol here that gets 5 times the value. 26. First ticket winner. Let's see if we have any others here. 29, 1, 30, 18, 20, 30, 35, 19. That's it, just one number, 26. It's a free ticket. Free ticket. Okay. Winning start. Ticket number 2. Oh, another winner. Oh, we got a 35, and we got the automatic symbol winner. That's 2. Let me just check the rest here. 19, 17, 12, 25, 37, 44, 22, and 18. All right, we got 2 winners here. $5 and $5. $10 winner. 2 winners in a row. Ticket number 3. Another winner. That's 3 tickets in a row. 31's a winner. Let me check the others. 4, 3, 6, 11. That's it. All right. Number 31. $10. 3 tickets in a row winners. Can all 4 be winners? That would be shocking. I'm already shocked that there were 3 in a row. Ticket number 4. Nope. Okay, well, 3 tickets out of 4 on the Cash Forever. Now we're on to ticket number 1 with deep pockets. Hoping for similar results. Really looking for that stack of cash symbol to win all prizes. That would be amazing. Okay, that's a loser. Number 2. Ticket number 2 is a loser. Uh-oh. Ticket number 3 is a loser. Final ticket here with deep pockets. Really should be a winner. Rarely see 4 in a row that are all losers. Come on, let's see that cash symbol. All losers on the deep pockets. All right, well, we got 8 tickets for $40. And we won 10, 20, 25 out of 40. So that's a $15 loss. We'll see you next time.